Good morning, everyone. Oh, I look so gross. I need to wash my face. Morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I have just washed my face and brushed my teeth, and I guess I am looking much better now. And now I'm going to eat my breakfast, and I will be right back. So I have just ate my breakfast, and now I'm gonna tell you what's my today's plan. So I have to film a makeup video, a hairstyle video, and then I am heading out to Rida's home. And then Aruj is gonna pick us up, and then we together gonna go to the bonfire. So the bonfire is actually our school bonfire where I did my metric and my friends too. So we are gonna go there, and also I'm thinking to do a December favorites in this vlog because I didn't upload that video as well as my facts video. I have which I asked you guys in my Insta stories whether you want to see fact video or December favorites. Most of you said we want to watch facts video. I filmed, guys, those two videos, but unfortunately what just happened is there wasn't any voice when I started editing those videos, because when I was filming those videos I filmed them in one day, and I changed my voice settings a little bit so that my background voices are not much louder than my voice. So because of that there wasn't any voice in my videos as well as mine too. So I feel like there wasn't any necessary or wasn't any need to edit them or upload them, because you can't hear, you barely can hear my voice. And so I gave up and I decided to film another videos, and today I'm gonna do December favorites, and then facts video will be up soon. So now I feel like it's a lot more talk with you guys, and now I have to start filming my videos. And this time I decided to put my makeup video and hair videos on Instagram as well as YouTube, because Instagram needs 1 minute makeup video or any video. But because of that I have to edit quite a lot, and I have to cut so many scenes which I don't like, because I feel like I put so much effort in doing that video, and if I'm cutting all the video then there isn't any necessary or I feel good. So I decided to put those on my YouTube channel as well, so they will be on my YouTube and also my Instagram. So yeah, and it also that means that I'm putting my videos on YouTube channel. You can see properly what I am doing and what products I'm using, and there are no more cutting scenes as well. So today I am gonna filming a look by using this. This is a liquid eyeshadow, it's Pastella, and it's the Magnificent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Ombre Liquid in Precious Platinum. And I bought this the other day, and I'm really excited to use this. However, it's a little dark than I thought. I swatched it on my hand and I didn't use on my eyes, so I'm really excited how it turned out. So wish me luck, and now I'm gonna film without any. Yeah. So everyone, I have just done with my makeup. I went with neutral look and I put my jewelry and outfit on. I know I was gonna do a very dramatic bold eye look, but I tried that and it came out a mess. That wasn't looking good at all. So I've removed all my makeup and go with neutral, my everyday makeup look. And I also filmed this, so it will be up soon after this vlog or before this vlog, I don't know, but I'll let you know. Now I have to clean all this mess which I created. This is all my makeup, and this is the current setup. Here my filming camera and all this. So as you can see that I film with natural lighting, so that's why you can hear all the voices, because I open my window, and Vanessa is here with me. She's also going with me.
Yes, but
yeah,
today I have to first have my paper done, and then I can like do my makeup and all that
yeah,
stuff.
she have to go academy when I am going to my friend's house. So
पढ़ने वाली बच्ची और क्या मैं.
So now I'm just waiting for my father to pick me up and drop me at Rida's home, and I know that she didn't get ready yet. So fortunately I did my makeup but couldn't do my hairs because my battery was flashing, so I couldn't do that. They are second day hairs straightened, and yeah, I'm keeping them simple and sleek, just brush through them. And now I am gonna give you a quick simple reviews about my December favorites because I am hurrying up to go to my friend's house. And yeah, so first things first, starting with the skincare, this little buddy has changed my skin routine a lot. My skin has little bumps, if you don't know, but I have a really bad little bumps on my skin which I hate. And when I use this about once a week, I use this daily before going to bed, and this has changed my routine completely, so I love that. And also this from if you are following me on Instagram, then you probably know I love this stuff as well, and I have a review on it, so go check out on my Instagram. And then I am loving this is the Garnier Pure Active Exfoliating Face Scrub. I love this. When I know I'm gonna do a heavy bold makeup, I use this before night so that my skin is smooth and soft when I put my makeup on. So yeah. Next, if you are a long-time subscriber, then you probably know this. I have mentioned this in my birthday gifts video. This was given to me by my friend, and it smells amazing. It didn't give me headache. It is not a strong scented perfume, which I like. And for body, I love this. This is actually empty. This is the Dove Nourishing Secrets Innovating Ritual Body Wash with avocado oil and candula extract. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love this. It feels so fresh, and I use this with loafa, and it makes my skin so soft and refreshing, and I love this. And this if you know about other brands who do good body washes, then please let me know in the comments, because I love body washes at the moment, and I love this Dove body wash quite a lot. I use this all the time. Then for makeup, I don't have too much things, but this is the one that I use every day. If you are following me on Instagram, every single makeup video I am using this, and this is very good. But it is an oxidizing foundation, so I have to say, if you want to buy this, buy 1 to 2 shades lighter than your actual skin tone, because it oxidizes so quickly. So yeah, and I am in Natural Buff and 3. And then lips, I was loving this. This is the Kylie holiday collection in Moon lipstick, and this is the Rivage shade in number Odd Burn. So it's a cranberry shade type, and it's a very pink bright. At first when I bought this, I feel like it doesn't suit me at all, because I have a dark, like, neutral skin tone, and it's so bright it doesn't suit me. But when I mix these two, it gives me perfect combination, and the whole winter I'm using this. So that's it for my December favorites. I know there are not too much things, but I showed you the obvious things, like very important things that I want interested in. I want to give you reviews on it, so I hope you guys enjoy it, my little review section in vlog. So yeah, the facts video will be up soon when I have time, I am comfortable with, because YouTube needs time. I can't do this every day because my college is open now, and I am focusing on my studies a lot than YouTube and other activities. But I am more active on Instagram. If you are following me on Instagram, then you know. So I am giving my attention on that in my Instagram. But yeah, I will be uploading videos on YouTube. So now I am off to Rida's home. I put my scarf on and my jacket on, and grab my bag, and now I am ready to go to her home. So now I am finally arrived at Rida's home, और जैसे कि मुझे पता था कि रिदा और रहमान नहीं तैयार हुई होंगी, और मैं जल्दी से तैयार होकर आ गई हूँ इनके घर, और अब मैं इनकी मदद करूँगी कपड़े डिसाइड करने में, मेकअप करने में, और यस। ओके तो फाइनली अब हम जा रहे हैं। रूज भी आ गई हमें पिक करने के लिए। डिनर है, सबको मैंने तैयार कर लिया है और हमने सारा घर भी समेट लिया और हम जा रहे हैं फाइनली। और यस, अब मैं आप लोगों को बॉनफायर पे मिलती हूँ। हम रह गए हैं और आज का बॉनफायर बहुत अच्छा गुजरा। मुझे मार्क्स पड़ गए। बेस्ट था। यस, बहुत वी हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट। यस, और मेरी फ्रेंड भी मेरे साथ थी, उनके भाई भी मेरे साथ थे। ये देखिए हमारे बच्चे हैं, ये हमारे बच्चे हैं, ये रूज हमारी फैमिली है, ये हमारी फैमिली। तो यस, और अगर आप लोगों ने ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये है मेरे लिए, और अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे साथ एंजॉय किया हो, इन सब के साथ एंजॉय किया हो तो थम्स अप दीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और मैं फिर मिलूंगी। बाय बाय।